you gotta say, Liliana. Come on, rip it. Come on, rip it, boy. Pull it. Don't rip it. We can reuse that bag now.
Right? Pull it more.
Oh!
Super smash. This is from everybody, baby.
Whoa!
Cool, another Wii game.
Oh,
You know what that is, baby? That's a charger for your
That's a charger, so
controllers.
you don't have to use batteries no more.
All right. Wow.
Awesome, right?
You don't have to use batteries anymore. You can just charge your Wii.
Marissa, stand back, baby. Nice. Marissa, move back, baby.
All right,
Who gave me this?
and more mail. More mail. Open it up.
More mail.
All right,
Oh my goodness.
Let's
Read
open
the
the
card.
card. Oh, what's it? Oh,
Ooh.
Oh.
what's it say? Turn it up. Turn it right there.
Voy a ver.
Hope your birthday
is
as awesome
No, a ver.
as
you.
good job. Where's it from? Where's it from?
Va a ir a comprar el comer.
This is from Happy birthday. We love you so much. Love Uncle Bob and Aunt Patricia.
Okay, so
Oh my God, he pulled out that size. He said, who got me that?
Look, that's a Mario Wii controller.
Turn it around.
Oh, wow.
See?
wait, two controllers already?
No,
You
you
gotta
one
control-
controller.
This is the charger, baby.
One charger for
That's so
your
you can
controller.
charge it all the time. So you always have one available.
What you got?
Why is there clothes in my book bag?
Turn it around. Look what that is.
Look at your game, honey.
Whoa!
That is Call of Duty. You can play that on the Xbox, on Christian's Xbox.
Hey, look at me.
What you got?
Ooh, nice. Let's see.
Baby, it's from everybody.
Everybody.
Let's see, baby.
Let's look at them. Open them
Come on
up.
up. Yo, put them up. Look, let's see.
Let's see them.
Perfect color.
Oh,
Camera,
nice.
let me see them.
Joanne Christie.
Joanne Christie.
Let me see.
Christy.
Nice.
And
That's
then show them
nice.
the shorts that go with
What you
it.
got?
Oh, yeah. Look at there.
Whoa.
And you got a bunch of socks so that grandma can match now.
Yeah, right? Nice. Happy birthday, Sky. We love you.
We love you.
We love you too, Liliana.
We love you.